Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D1 chapter number 1, exercise 1B, that is about real life application of LCM and HCF. In today's class, students will be discussing and applying the concept learned in the previous class on question number 7 of exercise 1B. In these lessons, we are learning and discussing that how from the everyday life problems, we will be deciding that the given problem can be solved by LCM and or by HCF. If you recall my previous lesson, you can recall that we did discuss that after reading the question, we have to figure out the terms that find the largest or the greatest number of bags, or when we want to divide something equally or share something equally between two or more people, we have to apply HCF. So keeping these points in the mind, let's begin today's class. And let me read the question from the book once again, so that if there is any problem with the data, I can correct it. Question says, Higson needs to pack 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 erasers into identical gift bags, so that each item is equally distributed among the gift bags, and we have to find the largest number of the gift bags that can be packed. The largest number of gift bags or gift packs that can be packed, and the number of each item in the gift bag. So let's move to the solution of the question. And as the question says, the largest number of gift bags, so recall that what we have to do, we have to find the HCF of these all quantities or the items which are given to us. These lessons are not only important for my junior grade 6 and 7 students, but for my O1, O2 and O3. These lessons basically we are making to bridge the gap of the syllabus due to COVID-19. So all of my students of class 6, 7 and O1, O2, O3 can get benefit from these lessons, especially my O3 students. While I was making the lesson plan for my O3 students and preparing my October, November and May, June 2021 papers, I can find these type of questions in my O-level examination. So O3 students, please, you also have to watch and understand these lessons clearly. So let's move to the solution of the question. And first of all, we know that we have to, in order to find the largest number of the gift bags, we have to find the HCF. And in order to find HCF, what we need to do is that we have to go for the prime factorization. Okay, so prime factorization, what to do for prime factorization? So let's discuss that first. So first of all, the first number of pens are 171. So I have to make the prime factorization of 171, and then we have to see that we only have to pick up those numbers which are prime for the division of these all composite numbers given. And for this, you have to do the mental working and calculation, because mostly these questions will be coming in paper 1. So your tables and mental maths calculations and your divisibility tests have to be really good and strong. As a unit digit is 1, so this number cannot be divided by 2. So then move to the 3 and check with the divisibility test of 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. As 9 is divisible by 3, so this number 171 will also be divisible by 3 completely. 3 how many times is 17 or closer to 17? 3 5s are, and I'm left with 2. That 2 I will be giving to 1, and that becomes 21. And 3 how many times? 3 7s are 21. Again, the unit digit is 7, and I cannot divide that number by 2. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So I can easily divide this number again by 3. 3 1s are, and I'm left with 2, and 3 9s are, 19 3s are 57. And now 19 is a prime number, so I cannot divide 19 by any other number, so I have to go for 19 itself. So this will become 19 times 1 is 19. Okay, so prime factorization of 171 in index form is 3 multiplied by 3. 3 is coming how many times? 2 times. So in index notation, I will write it 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 1. Moving to the second number, which is 63. So we have to go for the prime factorization of these all numbers first. Okay, 63. Again, the unit digit is 3, and we cannot divide this number by 2. So 6 plus 3 is 9. We can easily divide this number by 3. 3 2s are and 3 1s are. Again, for 21, table of 3 is suitable. Okay, 3 how many times? 3 7s are, and 7 how many times? 7 1s are. If you have good hold on tables, you can easily do these calculations. So 63 can be written as 3 is coming again twice, 3 square multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1. And now we are left with only third number, which is really small, 27. So for 27, what we can do is we cannot divide 27 by 2. Everybody knows this really well. 27. 3 how many times? 3 9 times. And then 3 how many times? 3 3s are. And 3 how many times? 3 1s are. 3 1s are. Okay. 3 1s are. Okay. Now for 27, I can see I just have one number which is dividing 27 completely. That is 3. How many times is coming? 1, 2, and 3. 3 cube multiplied by 1. Now, in order to find the largest number of the gift bags, number of gift bags or gift bags, what we have to do, we have to take the HCF. Now, if we look at the prime factorization, we can see that the first number is having 19, but the second and third number does not have. So it means that 19 is not the common number. Again, 7 is not coming in rest 2. So there is no chance of 19 and 7 coming in the answer. And we are left with 3 square, and 3 cube. As we are doing these lessons for the junior students, so 3 square can be, for the convenience, can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. Again, from the 63, this 3 square can be written as 3 multiplied by 3. And from 27, 3 cube can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now, we know that for the HCF, we have to take the product of common factors only. And now look that what is common number or common factor here. We can easily see that here this 3 is common. This is coming in all of the 3 numbers. So I can block this number easily. And then moving to the second 3, this as well is common. So, but this 3 does not have the friend over here. So it means that the HCF of these 3 numbers is 3 multiplied by 3 or 3 square, which is equal to 9. So it means that largest number of gift bags are largest number of gift bags are 9. As we are doing this work for our junior students, so let's go for the coloring and fun. And let me color this whole bunch so that my students can see that these are the common numbers. Okay, so we can easily get the largest number of the gift bags or largest number of the things by finding the HCF. Okay, now I hope you are clear about this. And now moving to the second part, that says that number of each item. Now what we have to do, we have decided that out of 171 pens, 63 pencils and 27 erasers, students, how many gift bags you can make, okay, or you can give the gift to how many people, to 9 people, and you have decided that in these 9 bags you are going to keep equal number of pencils, pens and erasers. Now what we have to do to find it out that in each bag how many pens, how many erasers and pencils you are going to keep in such a way that you will have equal number of each item in the bag, so that everybody can get equal number of things, you have to divide each quantity by HCF. So if this rule is clear, now in order to find that we have how many pens, number of pens in each bag, number of pens in each bag equals to 171 divided by 9. Quantity divided by HCF. Okay, let's make the rule here. Quantity divided by HCF will tell you that how many things we are going to keep in one box, one bag, one bag. 171 divided by 9, 9 twos is 18, and I cannot divide, so go 2 times, 9 ones are 9, and then I will left with 17 minus 9 is 8, and 9 nines are 81, so this will become 19. So it means that in each bag I have to keep 19 pens, and number of pencils in each bag, number of pencils in each bag, this will be equal to 63 quantity divided by HCF 9, and which is equal to 7. And then we have to find the number of erasers, in each bag. Okay, total erasers we are having 27. 27 divided by 9, and this will give me 3. So it means, students, that when you will be making 9 gifts, okay, bags, 9 gift bags for your friends, you can keep 19 pens, 7 pencils and 3 erasers in each bag. In this way, each one of your friend will be getting equal number of the quantity and equal number of stationery. Students, I hope you are really clear about today's class. Please watch and understand this lesson carefully before your O-level examination, because this is one of the important concepts of your O-level examination. And as this work is for my class 6 and 7 junior friends as well, and they always love and enjoy coloring, so let's give some beauty to our work to grasp the attention of the junior students as well. Okay, and let me use some other color pencil as well, so that it becomes more attractive for my young students. Okay, students, I hope you can see that the lessons of D1 are really important. While I was making and planning for my O3 revision plan, I can find that most of the questions of 2021 paper 1 are from D1. So those students who feel that they have not covered the complete D1, D2, D3, and D4, they can, but they want to practice past papers. For all those students, 2021 May, June and October, November papers are really good. They first have to reinforce the concepts from D1 and then they can practice paper 1 and paper 2 from there. For the better understanding and clarity of all the concepts, please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.